ChatGPT or AI for your business? Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatness for You. Are you using ChatGPT or AI for your business? If not, then you're missing out. Specifically, ChatGPT is really great. You can create written content much better and much faster. And you can even use it to create great ads. Think about it, it's machine learning. So you can plug in previous great ads that you had or great copywriting from famous copywriters. And you can ask the ChatGPT to make a similar ad for your industry. And it will do that. It's amazing, you should try it. So comment below what your experience is, if you've tried it or not, or how you think it worked. And also, if you want quality leads for your business, then also book a free call with me. We specialize in getting quality leads for coaches and consultants. So book a free strategy session with me now. There's a link in the description to book a call. It's completely free and uncommittal, no pressure. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe, share it with your friends, and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. Take care, bye.